Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sakela. If you are new, if you're not new, how are you doing? How have you been? So we got another episode of Beast on a Budget where I show y'all where to get some really dope shoes for the low. So today we got the Off-White Nike Dunk collab, and I'm really gassed because these are some sneakers I've been looking at ever since I learned about the rap world. I wanted to get these are the pine greens. So the box looks like this. They were sent to me kindly by cnfashion.official on Instagram. All the information will be in the description box so you can check out their site and all that good stuff. If I have a coupon code, I will put it on the screen. It will also be down below as well so you can save yourself some coin. But yeah, so here we have the box. It's a silver box, different from any other Nike box that I've ever gotten, with the Nike tick on it. Got some heels in it. I guess that's just the vibe for the sneaker. So open it up, and here we have the shoes. The paper's over there, but you get your little StockX stuff. I'm not a fan of these things. I don't be trying to act like my sneakers are legit because I don't really have a problem saying that they're not. And then this is the paper. How legit is the paper? Again, something that I don't particularly care about, but if you do care about it, you could take a deeper look. I can give you a close-up of it so you can see. I don't know. I don't care. Now let's get into the shoe. So this is, look at how pretty it is. Oh my goodness. So this is it, right? Now what I will say that they did completely wrong, like, I don't know how they made this mistake, but they put an orange tag on the sneaker, but the shoe comes with a white one. So I'm just gonna take this off. I would have liked to have had the tag on the shoe, but this isn't the right color for this shoe. Aside from that, the shoe looks good. Here are the shoes. So they have the orange lace, you know, going across. Let's turn this way. Going across the front. I love the pine green. Like, the sneaker is just really nice. But yeah, so here it is. Let me just give you a close up real quick. Again, mind the tag because it's not supposed to be that color, but what can I do?
Can't do drippin', can't do drippin', diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Can't do drippin', can't do drippin', can't do drippin', diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Can't do drippin', can't do drippin', can't do drippin'.
Yeah, so here is the shoe. Quality of the sneaker itself, really good quality. There are a few imperfections. Like the glue kind of has seeped up right here on this left shoe, but I'm sure maybe I can take a wipe and get rid of that. But I absolutely love the details of the shoe, period. I love that this Nike, please mind my finger, I cut myself. It's such like an old school looking Nike, you know, tick and stuff, and the word Nike, and I really just love it. I will say that in terms of the Off-White decal that's on the sneaker, it's not perfect. It's a bit off compared to what the original looks like. I think this one is a bit more off than this one, but again, these are things that you would have to really look at the shoe really closely to be able to tell. And yeah, but the shoe itself is constructed really well. Dunks are my favorite silhouette of sneaker, so I'm really happy with these. I wanted to get myself some pine green Jordans, but these might suffice for now. And I love that you can take the lace out, so if I don't want this orange lace, I don't have to have the orange lace, or I could swap the orange lace out for a different color. I saw this picture on Instagram. If I can find it, I will put it on the screen over here, of someone who took these sneakers and then painted the white in like a cream color and then put this cream lace on it. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. But you know, it has the shoelaces detail. Can you see that? Focus on this and not on me. Can you see that right there? Yeah, it's got the shoelaces detail on the lace, as well as on the actual sneaker, the green lace as well. I just think they're really dope. I think they're really dope. I'm really happy to have these. Even if they are wrapped, I don't care that they're wrapped. I'm just happy that I can style this shoe. I'm happy to have it in my collection and really try and make some outfits with it, because it's not a regular shoe, you know what I'm saying? It's not something, I feel like it's something that you have to kind of be a fashionable to be able to style. So I'm excited to style it. I didn't think I would love a green sneaker as much as I do. I put these on. I tried on one, I think, just to see what it looked like on my foot, you know what I'm saying? And she looking real sexy. So really like this, really Really like this. If you're curious about the inside of the shoe, the insole of the sneaker, that's what it's looking like. I don't know how realistic that is. Again, it's going to be inside of my foot when my shoe is in, you know what I'm saying, you're not going to see it. So like things like that really don't matter to me. But if you love sneakers, or you know what I'm saying, you're trying to pass them off as legit, you might want to know how realistic they are. But me, as for me and my house, we don't care. But yeah, it's a really dope shoe. I got these in a UK 7.5, no, a UK 8. I got my dunks in an 8. They look so small. They made me feel like I have small feet, and I know I don't. I know my feet are big, but they look like small feet shoes. But anyway, really like these. Again, before you say some stupidity in my comments, I don't want you to do that. If you don't agree with the business of replicas, then don't purchase them. There was someone that commented on one of my videos saying that, how would you feel if someone stole your idea and had replicated it, right? And then you see it on somebody else, right? Understandable, right? But Nike is a multi-billion-dollar industry who exploits to create their sneakers. You know what I'm saying? So it's unethical how they do what they do. And these are adult human beings that are doing these on their own time, and they're not being exploited for their labor. So me, I sleep well at night, is what I'm trying to say. But if you don't want to buy them, then don't buy them. But don't make other people feel bad about wanting to buy them. I feel like I have to say that in every single video, and I will continue to say it in every single video. But this is them. Thank you again to cnfashion.official for these sneakers. Everything, like I said, will be in the description box, their Instagram and website and all that stuff, so you can check out all the shoes that they have. They're really nice. Really nice. Really nice. And if I'm not mistaken, this website has 3 different tiers of a sneaker. So you have the really high quality, a lesser quality, and then a lesser quality. These are of the really high quality in the sneakers that they do offer. So you do get, so the price does differ a little bit between the quality of the shoe. So you have multiple options on there, which I think is really nice. This is the sneaker. I am really happy, really pleased, and I don't have anything negative to say except for the fact that the tag, which is supposed to be white, is orange, and that's a really big thing that you shouldn't have missed, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, it's a really good shoe, and at least the off-white's on the inside, so no one's really gonna see the issue with the off-white you know, typography. But yeah, we're gonna get into some on-foot action so y'all can see these babies on my feet and how they move and all that good stuff.
Can't do tripping, can't do tripping, diamonds on my wrist, they tripping. Ice. Can't do tripping, can't do tripping, can't do tripping, diamonds on my wrist, they tripping. Ice.
Can't do tripping, can't do tripping, can't do tripping, diamonds on my wrist, they tripping. Can't do tripping.
So yeah guys, so those are the Nike Dunk Off-White collab in the pine green. Love them. Happy that I have them. So glad to have added them to my collection. I am like so happy. You have no idea. I couldn't imagine spending thousands of dollars on a pair of shoes. So I'm glad that I have them, and we love to see it. So yeah, let me know in the comments if this is a cop or a drop for y'all. Would y'all be purchasing these resale, or would y'all purchase them off of one of these sites, or is this just not a shoe that is your cup of tea? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. Or maybe the sneaker but in a different colorway, because it does come in 2 other colorways. There's one coming in February that I really want to get my hands on. But anyway, well yeah guys, like I said, thank you again to CN Fashion for sending me these sneaks. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you know you want to be lit with me. Turn on my post notifications, and I'll see y'all in turn on my post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace out, Girl Scout. Check you later.